Hi, this is Litre Tailor Parts Pro. Today with the 2004 Suzuki Jimny, stock number 6897. This ran from the 9th 2000 to the 11th 2004. It has an M13A 1.3 litre full cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is M13A 1.3 litre full cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel guitar, left hand door mirror, left front door, front bonnet no dents, left rear 15-inch steel wheel guitar, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel guitar, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 15-inch steel wheel guitar, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,